So here I am completely inspired by another Pinterest garden project. And I'm like, yay, I'm going to reuse, reduce, recycle my old tires. Make some cute pots, right? So you get the picture. You paint them, put your plants in them. These are going to be like these awesome garden accessories. Wrong. I don't know how in the heck these people do this, but I used multiple tools, multiple techniques, and this was so hard. It was not worth it. And I did paint my pot after. I'm just doing this video to show you that it doesn't always work, and a lot of time and effort can be spent. So I'm just trying to save you the hassle. Like, don't do this. If you want to reuse tires, build an earth ship. Make a tire swing. Spray paint your tire swing. How freaking cute. Google earth ship. People are literally building whole houses out of tires, okay? These little planters, not worth it. So needless to say, I only did one, and one does not look good in the garden by itself. It looks like a tire still. It still looks like a tire.